Trump closes $37 billion automakers with a bold mission. Trump has shaken the global auto industry, declared all US-sold cars must be made America. This bold move forces foreigners, automakers rethinking strategies and raising concerns about car prices, trade wars, future of US manufacturing. Will this cause manufacturing revival or financial turmoil for automakers and buyers? Jump in. What's up? For years, foreign automakers mainstay of the US auto market. Companies like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Toyota built a strong American manufacturing base. Companies like these create thousands of jobs, but also significantly impact local and national economy. But despite manufacturing US vehicles, a large portion, their production is overseas. This has allowed foreign firms to exploit lower prices, lower labor costs, tariffs, and other benefits circumstances outside the US. This dynamic benefits both foreign automakers and American consumers, who have long enjoyed competitively priced variety of vehicles. The game is changing under President Trump. His new order requires all cars sold in United States must be made there. This is a command, not a policy suggestion. Trump wants foreign automakers to returning production to America, transformed the manufacturing model that shaped auto market for decades. If companies want to continue selling in the US, they must establish operations in America. At first glance, it appears political. Move to boost domestic employment. The effects are far-reaching. This challenges the global status, manufacturing, and economic relationships that have existed for years. This shifts what? Impact consumers? Will auto prices soar? What will happen to the massive foreign investments in US manufacturing? The high stakes are involved in this policy radically change the global auto market. Trump wants all cars made in America, shook foreign manufacturers to their core. But will these firms comply? Explore how foreign automakers are responding to this bold order. The Made in America movement. Foreign automakers. Trump's coming.ca new policy will alter everything. For decades, Toyota, Mercedes-Benz, and BMW tailored their manufacturing strategies to include US production and sourcing from overseas factories. This method worked. Each company strikes a balance for them between US vehicle production to local demand and production management costs by using international facilities. But Trump's new policy goes further. More than encouraging local assembly, he demands these companies change their entire production, including parts to America. Mandates go beyond simple vehicle assembly, requires every step from the manufacturing process's original design to final assembly happens in America. Let's examine BMW. About 60% of BMWs sold in US are made in Spartanburg, South Carolina. Trump's new demand requires even their luxury models, like the 7 US-built series. This is a significant shift. BMW must now move production for its luxury. Models were traditionally manufactured in Europe, shipped to America. The same goes for other foreign VW manufacturers, who already over 90% of its vehicles were built North America, though Volkswagen may find it. Better adaptability than other manufacturers due to localized production, policy requires them to do more. Integrate their US operations, way to disrupt global supply chains. This bold policy change has impacted. The global significant reaction is assured. How will global response to this challenge from the US? Explore the Trump's new policy's global impact. Global backlash. Could Trump's Made in America policy cause a global trade war market forever? The announcement by Trump sparked a storm of foreign government reactions, automobile manufacturers worldwide. Countries Germany, Japan, and South Korea have already invested billions in the US in high alert. Trump administration policy directly challenges foreign manufacturers, forcing strategy rethinking world's largest auto market. Germany, an automotive powerhouse such as BMW and Mercedes-Benz. For years, these firms have benefited from vehicle manufacturing in the US assembled locally and key components sourced from abroad. Trump's order, however, means these manufacturers must now build create everything from scratch in the US or face consequences. This goes beyond moving entire assembly lines. It's about changing supply chain model that works for decades. Brands like Toyota face higher stakes, major players in the US auto industry market. Toyota has heavily invested in America. If plants don't meet Trump's demands, they risk US market exclusion.